All right, let's prove this identity. To do that, I'm going to write this at the bottom. That's how I prefer to do it. And I'm going to keep working on the right side until I get to the answer. So the first thing I'm going to do is notice that this is a minus, and those are both perfect squares. So you remember how a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b?
Yeah.
So I think to myself, well, it's cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta times cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta. That equals 1, right? Because that's the trig identity, or the Pythagorean identity. So what I have is now cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. And isn't that actually one of our properties? Isn't the cosine 2 theta, isn't one of our properties that it equals cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta?
Yeah.
So I'm done. I could actually move this up here, and I'm done.